with another month of
August.
August.
Yeah.
Wait, right?
Oh my god.
August Walt Life box. So this is a Disney monthly subscription. We love Walt Life.
And now that the parks are open, they've actually like kind of, I don't know. Well,
Fingers
we're not
crossed.
for sure, but like maybe started getting more park stuff, and like I think they're like kind of like better now.
Yeah, because they're supposed to like include park items as well as non-park items, but since the park's been closed, like it's been a lot of non-park items lately, like Target stuff maybe. So anyway, without further ado, let's see what's in this month's box. It's got some little packing, and right on top you can see a little Funko Pop character there, and then a bunch of little squigglies.
Oh gosh. Here, my lord.
We'll use this pumpkin Mickey pail to put our little squigglies in.
Oh my god, there's
What do
like
you see?
pins and a bunch of adorable.
Our cats are gonna have a great time with all of this.
God, okay.
Just saying, if you hear a bunch of ruckus, it's a cat. What's that?
It's a Little Mermaid necklace. How
Oh, it's so
adorable is
cute.
that?
So it has a little shell and a little dingle hopper and a little like turquoise colored stone right there. That's really pretty on like a little gold chain. I love that. Cute.
Okay.
Little Mermaid necklace.
I love these little bags that are like starting. Then we have a cute little pin from Pin Trading.
Oh, so it's an actual pin trading
Yeah,
pin.
this is
So that is
actually-
from the parks.
Yeah, it kind of looks like it's from Mouse Gear, but I mean, it kind of looks like it. But
Is it Alice's dress?
Yes.
Okay, so here we have a little Disney World exclusive park pin, and it's Alice's dress. That is super cute. We love to pin trade and collect, so this is gonna go right along with our other pins.
Then we got a Disney Parks train. It's like, look how awesome.
Oh my gosh, your dad is going to love
I know.
that. We're gonna have to do that tonight.
Yeah, it's no glue or cat.
Cat.
No glue or solder needed. I don't know what that is, but
Oh, like a soldering iron thing?
oh yeah, because you just like connect it with these parts. Look how awesome!
What?
Like collect
So-
the metal.
It's like a little
Collect the metal.
It's like a little 3D puzzle of the
We got a
Disney Express, the Disney Parks train. So that is really cool. And yeah, you don't have to glue or solder it. And this again is a Disney Park exclusive. So that is super cool.
And then
Okay.
we got the tea. We got the tea. We don't have a tea.
Oh, awesome.
We got the tea. We got the
We got the tea. So every month you get a letter, and if you collect all 8 of the Walt Life coins, you actually win a trip for 2 to Disney World. So we got the tea.
Oh, we got a little another thing.
That is cute. I really like that
Really
one.
cute one.
What does it
It's
say?
a little Mickey head, and it says 2020 in letters. Oh my god, fail. 2020 in letters, and it has like Mickey and like an actual face Mickey. 2020 Florida. That's actually
cute.
really cute.
I love those little like 3D design keychains. Those are cute.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then we have like an actual bookmark this time instead of just saying it Walt Life.
yeah.
Well, I mean it says it on the back, but I mean that doesn't really count. But like
That's
it's like an
cute.
actual one.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then is this the last thing?
Yeah.
So the last thing is an Aladdin. It's Aladdin as Prince Ali, little Funko Pop figurine.
Yeah, and they do have like the regular one without like Prince.
Yeah, so you can collect the other ones, but this one is dressed up as Prince Ali, so that is really cute. We love our like figurines and stuff. All right, so that's it for this month. So let's go over everything. So of course we got
Look at
our
Trevor.
Prince Ali. Trevor. Our cats are going wild with everything here on the floor. So we have our Prince Ali pop from Aladdin. This little guy.
I was about to say we have this.
We have we have her iPhone. The Metal Earth Disney Parks train puzzle.
This adorable keychain
Yes, that is really cute.
and the Alice pen. Woohoo!
And then the Little Mermaid
Oh.
necklace.
That's it. For some reason.
And we are actually going to Disney in October. It's 47 days to be exact, right? 47 days. So
Yeah.
just a little bit over 6 weeks. So we're already getting into spirit. We have our Halloween. Charlotte has one too. She's just
Yeah.
not wearing it right now because it's in the wash. But we have our Halloween spirit jerseys. It says boo on the back.
And it glows in the dark.
It does, it glows in the dark. So yeah, we're really super excited, and thanks so much for watching.
Yeah.
Until next month when we have another Walt box. We'll see you then.
Oh yeah.